Hey everyone, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Ever wonder how Marvel could handle the Kang situation after recent events? Um, it's a real head scratcher. Uh, the multiverse saga hinges on this powerful villain, but well, things happened. Kang in his various forms, He Who Remains, Immortus, even Victor Timely, uh, has been a major player. Um, but with the actor's departure, Marvel needs a plan. Um, the upcoming Fantastic Four First Steps offers a perfect um, solution. This reboot takes place in an alternate reality. This opens up a world of possibilities, a fresh start, a new Kang app. The Fantastic Four have a rich history with Rama-Tut, a Kang variant who ruled ancient Egypt. Rama-Tut, with his advanced tech and ambition, is a formidable foe. His battles with the Fantastic Four are legendary. This alternate reality provides a clean slate for a reimagined Kang. It allows for a recast without directly contradicting established continuity. The Fantastic Four's first MCU appearance would be the perfect place to introduce this new Rama-Tut secret majority. It's a natural fit. This approach offers a way to keep Kang relevant while addressing the current circumstances. Um, a smart move, really. It's a chance to showcase a classic Kang story while setting the stage for future appearances. Writing off Kang entirely would be a missed opportunity. He's too important to the Marvel Universe. So Rama-Tut in Fantastic Four, um, it's a clever way to keep the Kang threat alive. Why did the time traveler bring a ladder to the party? Because he heard it was going to be a time-consuming event. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.